In order to use the gas heater, first we need to check the gas line to ensure that the valve is turned to the on position. The valve, shown here, should be angled in the same direction as the pipe itself. Next, you'll need to open up the control access panel. On the front of the unit, just simply pull the door open. Inside, you'll find the igniter button, which is powered by a AAA battery, and the gas knob. The igniter on the heater is just like a gas grill. When you push the button, you're going to hear a clicking noise. That's the sparking, and the sparking is what will actually light the gas when you turn the pilot light on. If you press the igniter button and you don't hear any clicking noise, we need to check the battery. Simply unscrew the front of the igniter, pull the AAA battery out, if there is one, and replace it with a new battery. When you put the new battery in, ensure that the positive side, the side with the little nipple on it, is outside facing you, and the flat side of the battery, the negative, is towards the back of the unit. Simply put the battery back in and screw the front of the igniter back on. And that's it. Push the button and you should hear clicking. Next, turn the gas knob counterclockwise to the pilot position. To light the pilot, press and hold the igniter and press in on the gas button. Then release the igniter and the gas, and the pilot should stay lit. If the pilot light will not stay on, attempt the same procedure again. This time, after you press the igniter and the gas button, hold the gas button in for a count of 5. If we want to get some heat in the unit here, we actually need to turn the gas on. So rotate the gas knob counterclockwise. You'll feel a small indent when you get to the 1. Turn it a little bit more to 2. You'll hear the gas turn on, and the fire will light in the front here on this front bar. Now if you want to get more flame going, simply turn the knob a little bit more and it'll light the rest. To turn it up to max heat, turn the knob all the way counterclockwise as far as it'll go. It'll be on the 6. That's as far as it'll go right there. Now to turn the unit off, all you need to do is turn the knob clockwise and you'll feel a little detent on the 1. The 1 will keep the pilot light on and lit, and the rest of the flame will go out. If you want to turn the heater completely off, turn the knob clockwise until you hear that click. The pilot light will turn off, and that's it, no more fire. Here's another view again of me going through that whole same process. It's on pilot, igniter, push the gas button, pilot goes on, stays lit, release the gas button, and now that I want to turn the heat on, turn it to 1. You'll feel the detent there on 1 in the knob, you'll feel it. 1 will keep the pilot light on and lit. If you want to turn the heater on, turn it to 2, you'll hear the gas turn on and the fire will light, just like you saw in the other angle. Turning it up, all the way till it gets to 5. Just like I showed you from the other angle, to turn the heater off, turn it clockwise till you get to the 1. You'll feel that little detent. It may take a second for all the flame to burn out, but the pilot light will still stay lit if you leave it on the 1. And if you want to turn the unit completely off, turn it completely clockwise till you hear that click, and you'll see that the off is lined up with the arrow.